Morning, boys. Friggin' check this out. So me and Fallon, we go and we pick up this toolbox. I see this toolbox on friggin' Marketplace, and it's $600. And I'm like, when are you available to pick this up? And they're like, oh, right now and stuff. I'm like, oh, legit. And it's just like, sort of like resembles the one that I got. It's like a workbench, but it's got like 20 drawers in it. But I wanted one with the different size drawers plus the extra row of drawers. But when I got 7 feet, I wanted the 9 foot. When I went to get the 9 foot, they only had the 7 foots. They lure you with the 9 foot, only have the 7 foot. So for 10 years I've wanted the 9 foot, and one come up, $600. I'm like, holy shnikes, let's go right now. So drag the Fallon over there, we pick it up, I get it home. It takes 2 skid steers to get it out of the truck. I take all my whole shit apart, my whole shit. I mean, it needed to be done anyways. But anyways, I quickly realized that the drawers of this unit aren't quite as robust as my old one. And I like the robustness of the old one, so I put the old one back and I sell the new one. I put it on for $12.50. This guy messages me, says $1,000, I'll pick it up tomorrow at 3, but he's only got 8 friends. All of his friends have mutual friends with me, but like I have no idea who this guy is or any of his friends really, you know what I mean? Like they're just like friends with me on Facebook or whatever. So anyways, I get lit up. I get lit up about this friggin' thing, and guys are messaging me this, that, oh, blah, blah, fucking this, that, I can come and get it all, pay full price, all this, all that. So I'm like, well, let me message Buddy back, see what he says, and I'll let you know. So I message Buddy, doesn't get back to me. He tells me he'll let me know an hour or two before he gets there. Well, it's an hour before he gets there, and he still hasn't gotten back to me. And this guy like wants to come right now. So I'm like, okay, come pick it up, $12.50, come grab it. So then an hour goes by, and then Buddy messaged me, yeah, I'll be there around 3. And I'm like, well, for fuck's sakes, I messaged you, you didn't get back to me. So another guy's coming, he's like, oh, this, that, blah, blah, and this, that, blah, blah. So now I'm in a predicament. I'm like, if I tell this guy to frig off, he was the first guy to mess me with this, and oh, plus he's saying, no, I'll pay a full price, I'll bring $12.50 and this, that. So I'm like, all right. So I tell Buddy, I'm like, oh, you know, like, I did tell Buddy, like, he could come and stuff, and he ended up getting back to me, so blah, blah. So that was the thing. What I should have done, I made the wrong decision, and that's what I do all the time. I should have just told Buddy, yeah, sorry, dude, I didn't hear back from you. You've only got 8 Facebook friends and no profile picture, so like, you know what I mean, you're not even a real person as far as I'm concerned, and this other guy's coming. So anyways, I tell Buddy, you know, oh, Buddy's coming after all, so he's choked. He's like, oh man, well, I wouldn't have this and I wouldn't have that if I wasn't getting the toolbox. I'm like, yeah, I know, man, I'm sorry. And I do feel bad. I feel like I wanted to message him and say, oh, if you cheat, freaking come over, I'll give you a sack or something, you know what I mean? But nobody would ever do that shit for me, and that's what I gotta sort of teach myself, you know? It's like nobody gives a especially on Facebook. But anyways, this guy comes, I load up the guy for him with the skid steer in the back of his truck. He freaking pays me the money, he goes. I message him, I say, hey man, how about a 5 stars on my shit? Because I already 5-starred him. Oh yeah, right on, 5 stars, there you go, buddy. He 4 stars me. He gives me 4 stars. Solid. So, anyways, lesson learned. I told Buddy, I said, don't ever come back. Don't ever come back to my place again, bud. But anyways, just a little story for you there. Still paid. It'll be nice though. It'll be nice to, you know, just revamp this. I tend to friggin' pile stuff. Oh, and check this out, eh? This video is sponsored by this friggin' blowtorch. This friggin' blowtorch. Lexivon. Lexivon butane blowtorch. So, you know, for the soldering, I mean, I guess you could partake in the different type of the crystal. But check out the, you go up and down for the safety. So obviously we'll have to crack that off, but it's just a new innovative design of the safety feature. Let's put some butane into it. Well, it turns out we don't have any high quality. Oh, nice, that worked out. Holy. Holy. Oh, and it'll stay on. That's pretty cool. You can turn it up. Nice. I mean, obviously it's a blowtorch, so that's cool. You just friggin' get it lit, pull your little antler over. She friggin' stays lit, boys, eh? Oh, careful! Careful, but yeah, that was pretty cool. Lexivon. Lexivon. So friggin' A-rates for that, but anyways, back to it, boys. I don't know if anybody's ever looking for some gas station boner pills. We're stocked up here in Inwood, boys, so. But yeah, super cool scenario. I don't know what I could have possibly done. I guess I could have just forfeited 250 of my dollars to just allow him to have that. That would have partaken in an extra star. It's not a huge deal. It's the principalities. You know what I mean? If he got back to me, he would have got it for $1,000. He didn't get back to me. Another guy agreed to $1,250. Why would I take $250 less? Just because, you know what I mean? Like, would you ever do that for me? Clearly not, because I asked you 5 stars and you just ghosted me. But he's blocked now, so he can't even see any of my stuff that I'm selling or message me about it. So, fuck that guy. I hope those flimsy as drawers just collapse and all your shit gets dicked, bud. Just for reference, look at the sides of the drawers on this. Folded over edges, a boxed in section that holds the guy. You just got like, I'm not going to show you, but you just lift up on it and it comes out of the track to pull the drawers out. That one had like stupid things that you got to push. And I mean, you can do it on this one too to pull the whole track out, but these just set into little notches. The sides are way more robust. That one was literally a flat piece of metal. There was no rolled edge. There was no boxed inside, welded on like that. You know what I mean? All boxed in and stuff. So that's why I kept this one and sent that one back. But check out what we've done, boys. Complete revamp. Complete friggin' revamp. Still lots to go. I still got tons of stuff to put away. And just goes to show, though, it doesn't matter what you do, what you try to do. You try to help, you try to do the right thing. It doesn't matter. I tried to do the right thing by allowing the guy that first messaged me to get it, but I shouldn't have done that. I should have allowed the guy who friggin' was on his way right now. And, oh, sorry, dude, I tried to message you. You only got 8 friends, this and that, and you're goof, bud. Fucking clearly you're goof, bud. So I think it's only fair. You have 4 stars me. I make a movie, eh? But anyways, boys, let me know what you think. Don't forget Lexivon friggin' blowtorch there. Link will be in the prescription. Let me know of a time when you tried to do a guy a solid and he just friggin' stabbed you right in the cock. But anyways, boys, I gotta try to get the friggin' wheels off my sod cutter. They're stuck. Some terrible. So smoke cigarettes.